Hello everyone, welcome to Bear Paws Woodshop. My name is Matthew. On today's trip through the woods, we will be building an easel from start to finish. Here is what the easel will look like when finished. To start, we need to mark two boards at 69 inches. These will be the front legs. Time to cut the legs. The boards I'm using are 1x3s, but you could use 1x4s. This was just what I had on hand. I laid the two legs out on the work table in an A-frame style. I used the work table corners to ensure my angles match. Off camera, I cut two boards to 24 inches for the top and bottom rungs. I'm measuring and marking the placement of the bottom rung, which is 23 inches from the edge of the rung to the end of the leg. This placement you could adjust depending on how you will use the easel. In my case, it will be a display for jewelry. Pre-drilling the holes while still holding in place. Now we need a ton of screws. I said a ton. Okay, let's get this screwed in place. Good job, but next time, do it faster. I have flipped the A-frame over so that I can place a brace at the top and have a place to mount the hinge. It is 9 inches wide and about 10 inches from the top of the A-frame to the top edge of the brace. Once again, I have flipped the A-frame so that I can install the top rung. It measures 47 inches from the bottom edge of the bottom rung to the top edge of the top rung. Time to cut the third leg. It measures at 60 inches long. Here I'm marking the holes for this 3-inch gate hinge. Even though I'm pre-drilling, the wood split a little, so I used a screwdriver instead of my driver, and it's held up. I am centering the hinge about 3 inches on each side of the hinge. Time to mark, drill, and install the hinge to the back brace. And then we will have a third leg that can fold when in storage. The whole build video was a little long, so I made it a two-parter. In part 2, we will finish the build. Please like this video and subscribe. It'd be awesome. Leave me a comment. It really helps out. And as always, thank you for joining me on this trip to see what the bear is doing in the woods.